Welcome back to the course of digital electronics. Today we will see implementation of boolean functions or design of boolean functions. Now this is a boolean function. If you want to implement this boolean function digitally, observe how many number of input variables are there. A, B, C, D. Take the A, B, C, D lines and also observe how many inputs consist of its complements. If you observe that A consists, B consists, C consists and also D consists. Therefore, I have taken the complement lines also like this. Now, if you observe that, I have to draw an AND gate with A and B are the inputs. A, B, therefore I have considered AB. Similarly, A bar into B bar, A bar into B bar. Then these two should be connected to an OR gate and I have taken an OR gate. And similarly CD bar, therefore I have taken the line from C and D bar and I have taken C bar and D, and these two should be connected with an 2 input OR gate. Then these two, now if you observe that this and this should be connected to an AND gate since it is a dot product. Now if you observe this one, once again 1, 2, 3, 4 inputs I have A, B, C and D, and only one input consists of its complement, therefore I have taken this. And similarly if you observe that CD, therefore I have taken CD, and this CD should be R with B, therefore it is R with B, and this total input should be AND with A, and I have AND with A, and this entire input should be OR with BC bar, therefore I have taken BC bar and I have done an OR operation. Is it clear? Now observe this question. Simplify the following expression and implement them. Therefore I have to simplify this. I have taken AB as a common term, then D plus D bar will be 1, and from this A I have taken as a common term, then B plus B bar will be 1, then this is a simplified expression. Okay, now if you observe that how many number of input variables are there, A, B, C and D, therefore I have taken A, B, C and D. If you observe that A consists of its complement, okay, therefore I have taken the complement. If you observe B, there is no complement, therefore I didn't take any complement. Now if you observe C if you observe in both the cases, it doesn't have its regular line, it consists of only its complement line, therefore I have taken only the complement line. D also, if you observe that there is no regular line, therefore I have taken only the complement line. And similarly if you observe that I have taken A bar, C bar, D bar, 3 input AND gate, A bar, B bar, A bar into B into C bar, A bar into B into C bar, and all this connected to an OR gate. Now if you want further simplification to this expression, you can use this, okay, A plus BC, A plus B into A plus C theorem or law. Now from this, okay, I have taken these two as a common one, then it becomes A plus, I have taken this as A, I have taken this as B and this as C, A plus B into C, A plus B into A plus C. Like this, then it becomes 1, and here this is expression. Once again I have taken A, B into C, A plus B into A plus C, and this is a simplified expression. I have drawn this. Okay, just go through this example by your own, simplify this expression and draw this logic diagram. And similarly go through this design. This is also for you as a homework, right? Now we will do the reverse operation. Boolean function from logic gates or converting logic to Boolean expression. Now observe the question carefully, write the Boolean expression and simplify and read out. Okay, we have to write the Boolean expression of this circuit and we have to simplify it and we have to redraw the output. That means we have to redraw the logic. This is a logic they have given. Now we know that since an AND gate, A into B, B into C, A into B. Now this is as one of the input to an OR gate, A plus AB, B plus BC, AB plus C. Now these should be an AND with each and every one. That means these three inputs are ANDed. Okay, why? Because it is an 3 input AND gate. That means the output is A plus AB into B plus BC into AB plus C. Now to simplify, we know that A plus AB becomes what? A into B plus BC becomes what? B into AB plus C. Now AB into AB becomes AB, AB into C becomes ABC. Now if you take AB as a common, then it becomes 1 plus C. Then if you observe that 1 plus anything becomes 1, AB into 1 becomes AB. That means simply the entire circuit is equivalent to what? A 2 input AND gate. This is an AND gate. Now if you look out one more question. Since this is an OR gate, therefore it becomes A bar. Since it is an OR gate, therefore it becomes A plus B whole complement. Since these two is given to an OR gate, therefore it becomes A bar plus A plus B whole bar. Now similarly it is B bar, B plus C whole bar, it is given to OR gate, B bar plus B plus C whole bar. Now what is the output means? Because it is a 2 input NAND gate, this is 1 input, A bar plus A plus B whole bar into B bar plus B plus C whole bar, entirely bar. Now we know that to simplify this, we have to apply the De Morgan's theorem. Let us consider this is one input and this is another input. Now if I consider A into B whole bar becomes A bar plus B bar. Now if you observe the De Morgan's theorem once again here also, it becomes A dot in the brackets, it becomes what? A plus B. Why? Because this complement gets cancelled, plus plus, then similarly B dot B plus C. Now if you observe that A into A becomes A, plus A into B becomes AB, plus B into B becomes B, then plus B into C becomes BC. Now if you observe clearly here, A plus AB, it is A, B plus BC becomes B. That means it is a 2 input OR gate. This is a circuit, 2 input OR gate. Thank you very much for each and everyone. In the next class, we will see canonical and standard form. Okay, sorry, in the next class we will see, okay, how to implement any Boolean function using only NAND gates or using only NOR gates. Is it okay? Thank you very much for each and everyone. Have a nice day.